So, as a lot of you guys know, here at Inozetek, we're huge fans of Zeno by X3D. And with the latest introduction of Zeno X, we've got one cool surprise for all of you, and that's an Inozetek specific version of Zeno. So, I want to take a few minutes and give you guys a quick tour of that version. As you can see, we're in the software now. We have a beautiful Ferrari 458 Italia on screen, but our client, they're coming in with the G80 M3. They were inspired by our Snow Blue video we launched last year, and they want to do something very similar. We've got 450 cars to choose from, and they're constantly updating them all the time. So we're going to choose the G80 M3 competition. Here you go. And this is running in the Unreal Engine. So as you can see, the graphics are basically as good as you're going to get in today's day and age. We're going to jump on over to the customization screen. We're going to go to wraps. We are going to go to Inozetek specifically, and we're going to slide on over and choose Snow Blue. Instantly, that thing already looks super hot, but this client has some very specific requests. They think the front is a little too high, so they want to install a suspension kit. They also want us to powder coat the wheels. All right, so we're going to jump on over to the wheels tab, and the great thing about the wheels tab is it basically gives you the ability to choose so many features, such as like the outer spokes, you have the inner barrel, you can even go so far as to change the color of the lug nuts, but that gives us a lot of options to give our customer exactly what they want. Instantly, I've already blacked out the rims. Now they want us to lower the vehicle. They want to see what that looks like. So we're going to go to stance. And keep in mind, all of this is available in the Inozetek specific version. So we're going to go to stance. The rear is fine. The front needs to be lowered. So you're going to select front. You are going to drop the front, and look at that, instantly way more aggressive. But we're not done yet. They also want to add some 5mm spacers. So why don't we go to offset? We're going to widen those fronts just slightly, and we're going to widen the rear. And there you go. But you don't want to poke too much. And I mean, just look at that. Right away, you have a vehicle that just looks so much more aggressive. And the great thing is, we can send this render, we can export it out. You have up to 19 renders that you can export per month within the Inozetek version. It's been a week and a half, we secured that job, the client sent us his G80 M3, and boom, here it is in the flesh in our super gloss Snow Blue. It looks amazing. I mean, this car is phenomenal. Couldn't get the suspension here in time due to the global pandemic, but you know, it's okay, he'll come back. But I just wanted to show you all how easy it was to go from render to reality. Client didn't have to even come in. I sent him those files and boom, job is done. So if you guys want to make the commitment though and jump up to the full version, that's going to give you those body kits, the 500 wheel options, and just continuous upgrades. I mean, if you're offering a plethora of services at your shop, you sell one item in a month and it's already validated that service. So have the kiosk in your showroom. Let the customers play with it. It really does sell itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, reach out to us or reach out directly to X3D, and I'm sure all of us would be more than happy to help you. So peace out, guys.